Are you unable to reply to WhatsApp messages from your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can send quick responses without picking up your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to reply to WhatsApp messages from your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, make sure to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. Then open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Notifications. Then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here, and then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications. Scroll down and toggle on the WhatsApp app to get notifications from. If you don't find WhatsApp here, then go to the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap Notifications. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. So from now on, when a new WhatsApp message arrives on your iPhone, a notification will appear on your Apple Watch as well. Tap on the notification. Scroll down to see the available reply options: quick replies, voice dictation, and scribble option. From here, you can reply your WhatsApp message. So folks, this is how you can reply to WhatsApp messages from your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, then please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.